Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. Check out all my different media channels. Really do appreciate it. Alright, so today I want to talk about AnetaBTC, which is a wrapped Bitcoin, basically is what it is. If you've been following me, then you've probably picked some of this up, some CNETA off of drip drops. So as I've been talking about that, and actually we've had 2 drops of CNETA on drip drops, which has been nice. Also, this is a great, I've mentioned this in the past, but this Cardano cube, this is such a great website. I have a link to this in my Discord, or you can just go to cardanocube.io and find this. This is it breaks it down into just a lot of information about different projects on the Cardano blockchain. Again, look, Cardano is great. Okay, limited supply. Basically, the underlying code is the Bitcoin code with smart contracts on top of it, doing great things in finance. And Cardano is going to be big. Good governance system built right into the coin. So anyway, Cardano is big on Cardano, right? All right. So let's check this out. Oh, incidentally, my MELD video. Let's see, MELD's on here. My MELD video. If you, I didn't get my MELD staked, and it finally went through the next day. There's MELD right there. So anyway, it just needed some time. But we're going to talk about AnetaBTC today. So this is AnetaBTC, and on the Cardano cube, here's a little bit of information, links to their website, and things of that nature. I'm gonna hop right over to their website and go to frequently asked questions because their ISO is going on right now, or they're calling it LISO, which is a liquidity initial stake pool offering. Um, so anyway, we can just go through some of this. They're given a bonus if you stake for more than 6 months. So anyway, it says right here to show our appreciation to long-term supporter delegators to our Neta 1 and Neta 2 stake pools for at least 6 months consecutively, we will airdrop a healthy amount of CNETA. Okay, so that's something to look forward to if you like to get some healthy amount of CNETA dropped to you, right? So this is this CNETA is the governance token, okay? So they're going to have wrapped Bitcoin, and CNETA is the governance token because everything's going to go decentralized, okay? So, and you and I are going to be in charge of it. So, what are the benefits? Governance. What are the benefits of holding NETA and CNETA? It's a governance token, revenue sharing. Of all protocol transaction fees. Okay, so what's going to happen is you're going to get kickbacks from by holding the token. What it sounds like to me is that you're going to, as the transactions, I think it's like a 70-30 split or something like that, and some of it's coming back to the people that hold CNETA. Okay, so I'll link this and you can go through some of this stuff and read it. But this is the governance. This is going to be the governance token. Let's see. So what is the liquidity ISO? A liquidity initial stake pool offering is our version of ISO. So you're going to be staking in their stake pools. As we saw earlier, it was Neta 1 and Neta 2 up there. Through our LISO, delegators can be airdrop CNETA tokens by staking with Neta stake pools on Cardano. Okay. And then it just goes through some information right here. I'll let you read some of that. What I find interesting, well, here's a link to their stake pools. So let's see, what are the official stake pools? Like I said, I'll link this article. This is frequently asked, yeah, frequently asked questions. So it's been a long day, right? But you can click on either one of these and go right to their stake pool. Make sure you get into the right stake pool. Um, it's going on right now. Okay, so it's going on right now. Now they said when I read, I don't remember where I read it, but they said when the pools become oversaturated, then they're going to stop giving out rewards. So to the people that come afterwards. So don't make sure when you delegate, make sure you're not delegating to an oversaturated pool. Okay. Um, let's see. There's a little visual breakdown here of the thing you can take a look at. Um, of their plan. What is the 3x delegator bonus? Now I find this interesting. If you're part of ErgoDex or MemSwap, then which is like a Sunday swap thing. If you've been a part of any of their ISOs or any of that kind of stuff, then basically what you're going to do is you're going to be able to get 3 times rewards. Okay. Plus, it sounds like you're also going to get kickbacks as well. See, so from just being part of the CNETA stake pool. Okay, so a lot of some of these I've talked back. I might go back and make videos on some of these because I've mentioned some of this stuff on my different media channels. But it was just a brief mention. I didn't have time to really sit down and make a video at the time, and it kind of got passed up. I might go back and make some of the videos, some videos on this stuff. But just to let you know here, you're going to get the 3x delegator bonus. Okay, let's see. So it says delegators to NetaPool will earn 3x bonuses on DEX campaign airdrops, proportional to the amount of CNETL that they have been airdropped to them via the LISO. Okay, so it's going to be proportionate to the amount of CNETL that you've been dropped from the liquidity initial stake pool offering. Okay, all holders of NETA and CNETL, including non-delegators, will also receive these DEX airdrops. So if you're holding NETA or CNETA, you're going to also receive these airdrops. However, non-delegators will be airdropped 1/3 the amount of the DEX tokens based proportionally on the amount of NETA CNETL they hold. Okay. Long story short, just to kind of sum it up, long story short, all NETA CNETA holders will be airdropped DEX platform tokens for any DEX campaigns. Okay, but delegators of CNETA pools will be airdropped a 3x multiplier compared to non-delegators based proportionally on the ownership interest. Okay, so basically proportionate to how much NETA CNETA you own. All right, so you're getting like multiplied bonus by delegating to the CNETA pool. Okay, all right. This gives you a breakdown of some of the assets that they're going to hold. What a wrap Bitcoin is basically it's a coin that can be traded outside of the Bitcoin frame, right? Different like uh, CR20 tokens, right? You have different kinds of tokens, okay? So it can be traded on different platforms and different blockchains. It's basically a wrap Bitcoin, is what it is. I'm sure you can find 50 videos on that. I might make one later on. We'll see what happens. But you got WBNB, you've got wrap Bitcoin, and all that kind of stuff, and it allows you to trade it in on other blockchains as opposed to its native blockchain. Okay. So, but it should be backed one to one by that asset. So it's actually backed 1-to-1 by that asset. Okay, let's see. Anyway, this just gives you a breakdown of some of the stuff. Let's see how much NETA can be earned each epochs. Delegators will be airdropped 6 CNETA tokens for each 1,000 ADA delegated to for each epoch. Okay, and an epoch is or epic. Let's say epic epoch, epic. Um, so anyway, which is 5 days. Okay. All right. So that's 6 CNETA. you know, I hope you saw the drip drop video. In fact, I'm getting ready to come out with another drip drop video, man. Drip drops is great, but um, you know, they dropped a bunch of CNETA on drip drops. So I hope you were able to take advantage of that. And but this I thought this might be something you're interested in, especially if you're part of the um, Ergo decks and all that kind of stuff. Then you'll probably want to look into this and be a part of this because they're partnering up with them and it's kind of like a little community here. So anyway, I have some CNETA, which is the governance token again, and looking forward to this project. Probably throw some into their stake pool and check that out and all that kind of good stuff. So all right, well, that's pretty much what I have for you today, and I hope your trading's going well. Y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.